Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi veg at home. First, select a high-quality, short-grain sushi rice, as its stickiness is crucial for holding your rolls together. Rinse 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear, then drain it thoroughly. Cook the rice with 1 1/4 cups of water, and once cooked, let it steam for 10 minutes. While still warm, gently mix in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to season it perfectly. Next, let's prepare our delicious veggie fillings. Popular choices include crisp cucumber, vibrant carrots, and creamy avocado. Slice these vegetables into thin, uniform matchsticks or strips, about 1/4 inch wide, to ensure they fit well in your rolls. For added flavor and texture, you might also consider roasted sweet potato or thinly sliced, marinated tofu. Remember not to overfill, as this can make rolling difficult and cause your sushi to fall apart. Now for the fun part, rolling your sushi. Lay a sheet of nori with the rough side facing up on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread about 1 cup of your prepared sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top edge. Arrange your chosen vegetable fillings in a neat line across the rice, slightly below the center. Then, using the mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll tightly, applying gentle, even pressure to form a firm, compact log. Finally, it's time to cut and serve your homemade sushi. The key to clean slices is using a very sharp, non-serrated knife. Wet the knife blade with water before each cut to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Slice the roll in half first, then cut each half into 3 or 4 pieces, aiming for about 1 1/2 inches in length. Arrange your beautiful veggie sushi on a platter and serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.